Cleaning the SL50. After removing dough from the bowl, turn off the power and unplug the machine prior to cleaning. Use a mild detergent and warm water to clean the inside of the bowl, making sure to clean under the blade and behind the spiral hook. Use a clean cloth soaked in warm water to rinse the inside of the bowl. Try to avoid getting excess amounts of water in the bowl. Then, use a clean, dry cloth to remove excess water and dry the machine. The outside of the machine may also be cleaned using a mild detergent and warm water, but should not be subjected to running water or spray from a hose. Important: always sanitize the machine after cleaning in accordance with NSF standards. If you have prepared an egg mixture, make sure to clean and sanitize the mixer immediately after use. Thanks for watching the Univex SL50 Spiral Mixer training video. If you have any further questions, contact Univex at 800-258-6358, sales@univexcorp.com, or visit us on the web at www.univexcorp.com.